Well, we fucked up. What started out as a how-to video or a what-to-do video.
They're learning how to fucking
work on their fucking toolcat. They should
turned very quickly into a what not to do video. Small mistake, simple mistake, and one that any one of us could make. So we might as well expose it.
look at positive and negative.
positive towards the outside.
Thank you.
My son managed to wire the battery backwards.
Good. Oh!
And hopefully fry just what is a fuse. So just a couple of quick disclaimers for you guys. Number one, I am the farthest thing from a mechanic or a technician that you will ever see. When it comes to maintaining the equipment, my skill sets are like here. And I have a lot of good friends and people that I work with that take very good care of me. Bobcat Peterborough, outstanding people. Trailers Plus, outstanding people. These are people that come to my rescue all the time. All out of Peterborough, Ontario. And more importantly, my good friend Shane Antonopoulos, picture here. This is the guy that normally saves my bacon when it comes to problems like this.
Why is this all fucked?
Huh? Because you just fucking fried the shit out of it.
No.
But unfortunately, he's out of town right now, and so I am left to the wolves to fix my own problems. After disconnecting the battery, giving the toolcat a different power source to work with, to see whether or not it was the battery that was the problem or whether or not it was something else that we've done to the machine. It turns out it was something else we did to the machine. We miss you, Shane.